on what my face is doing a week out from the platinum facial, and I will continue to have changes and results up to 6 weeks out. So far, just 1 week in, I have noticed all I'm wearing on my face right now is a little under eye concealer and mascara. So I have no makeup on my face. So what I've noticed so far is just a complete retexture of my forehead and chin and cheeks. My skin is much smoother and the tone is much more even, and I've noticed a lot of spots that I had on my face, either, if it was old acne scars around my chin, which are, I don't know if you can see, still fading, but I have had some sunspots and freckles. I have this big guy on my nose here that's actually faded a lot, that I actually didn't notice how many I had until now. My skin is just like all in through here and even on my forehead, and I didn't notice that I had all that discoloration now until it's gone. So I'm really impressed that it's already changed just the overall tone of my whole face. And I am noticing that the pores on my nose and right here on my cheeks are tighter, which I wasn't expecting that to be a result. So that makes me really happy, because I have lipstick on my teeth. I had some bigger pores going on there, and I'll zoom in. I mean, that's where it gets here. You can see my pores still, but they're getting smaller. So, and then I'm hoping that we continue to see just some plumping right here and here and here where I have some fine lines. That would be awesome. So I'm hoping to see changes with that. But anyway, I just wanted to do this quick update, but I am thrilled with the tone and texture of my face just from one treatment, 1 week out. So I'll do another update soon.